Today we want to make a root channel on Discord. Open Discord server to create and give the name. After create channel, click, and after this you can see the edit channel. Click it and go to permission in the left top corner and select make sure it should be everyone and select view channel. Read message and unselect send message option. After that save changes and go to integration and click create webhook. After creating, click it and name it a server name and save changes and copy webhub URL and go to, after copying this, go to Discord hook and clear all. After that put the URL and come downside and you add embed. You can add as much of as you want, but once you need to add 9 or 10 embed, then again need to, I'm adding the first embed and you need to give the title, description and color. And once it's completed, you can add same like second, third and 4, 5, 6 embed, how much you want to channel. Yes, and click send. Now you can see it received. You can see it received in your channel, and you can find this ID by enabling the developer mode. So go to this settings and go to advanced and click the enable the developer mode. And also you can check the channel IDs by using this. So thanks for watching.